What is poppin', guys? Welcome back to another banger potion video. On the title you say mixing Sleepwalking Potion and Sneezing Potion. Got a new bottle from the dark web. And also, I'm on social medias everywhere. Make sure you follow me on TikTok, and Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram, Facebook, and I think I said Pinterest, and like Discord, Reddit. And you see me on all the social medias that you can download and search me up and follow me on there. So guys, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel if you're brand new still. And comment down below. I should mix with Sneezing Potion or Sleepwalking Potion next, but I'll run out of SD card. I'm going to have to buy a new one. But we're going to do this one real quick. And it smells bad. Ew. It's purple when you sleepwalk. The red one is sneezing. So guys, like and subscribe to my channel if you're brand new. Follow me on social media. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Snapchat, and Discord, and Reddit. Follow me on those social medias. Like and subscribe right now. And let's get to this video. Okay guys, I got the Sleepwalk Potion. I'm going to drink it first. Ugh, it smells bad. Guys, you don't want to drink the Sleepwalk Potion in the dark web, but we're going to try. I can't try to do it. I swallowed it. I did it. Oh, we're going to try to be brave on this one. Oh, it smells worse. Ew. It was like tissue paper. Ew. I swallowed it too. Wait until it kick in. What if I sleepwalk outside? Do you think I'm gonna sleepwalk outside this time? I don't know. I hope I don't do something dangerous or maybe make a mess. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm sneezing and sleepwalk. But guys, I'm starting to feel a little tired. Why am I so tired of something? Is it maybe it's because the potion's kicking in? I'm just starting to sneeze. God, help me, please. Chew. Oh my God. Chew. What just happened, guys? Guys, did it work? How did I get out here? I'm outside. Did I sleepwalk all the way out here? I'm going to have to check the footage, guys. We're going to get home. We gotta get back home. Guys, this is insane. Like, did I actually sleepwalk? Tell me, comment down below if I actually sleptwalk all the way out here and sneeze. Like, what was I doing? Like, what did I do? Like, you can comment down below what I do, or like, subscribe and follow me on social media, and comment down below what potion shot just mix next with sleepwalking and sneezing. This one's more insane. I don't remember anything. Like, guys, we're going back home. See, I'm back home. See, I'm back inside. Oh, it's hot out there. It's so hot, guys. This is the room where we were. Oh my guys, did it actually work? And this is the room. Guys, do not try to sleepwalk potion like this or sneezing potion like this. Never. From the dark web, never. Make sure you follow me on social media and comment down below what I should post next. Like comment down below what potion should I mix with sleepwalker sneezing potion next in the next video. And I'll see you in the next video. I'm gonna check that footage. I was insane. I'm gonna check the footage right now. And peace.